So coordinations or locations are defined now. And finally, after all the values and parameters will be selected, we use heating and cooling loads to see this window. These are our spaces which we defined. Building type, you can select it, location, and also you can change it if you want from here. Ground plane, I use level 1. Project phase, new construction, a sliver space tolerance, building envelope, use the available function parameters which we use this. Building service, I check them and select fan coil system again. Schematic types, you can use it for all the instruction or one by one. I use space by space, not for all the project. I check all the checkboxes. You can change it if you want. Building infiltration class, loose, medium. You can see in the help of the software. Infiltration class, loose 0.076. Infiltration is excluded from the calculation of loads. As none, I use medium. Report type by detail. Use load credits. You can see effect of the side space on other side space. Some space maybe have more heat from another, so it added the heating or cooling of other space to another one. You can add details. For example, there is an danger sign here. You can find the problem, space volumes, overlap. Adjust the upper limit and limit offset properties. So I select this, save settings. I select the level 2 section. I do one of them, another section. Go to view. I select the space. So it is an overlap. This is this 17. I delete it. I close this window. So we have to remove it from the table too. So I go back to heating and cooling loads. There is no error. Easily you can remove the errors. or another error. Space is not placed. So we have to check the error for number 17. You can do it and solve this problem. Save settings. I use calculate. There's also another option, analytical surfaces. So with more details, show parameters to you. Isolate option. Other options with more details are available here. You can use highlight or isolate. I return to spaces with lower details. I use calculate and wait for calculation. As you can see, with high details, you can see the output of the software. And you can see this from the load reports. Project information, project name. If you want to add these parameters, go to manage and project information. So you can add the project information here. Okay, and again calculate to change the parameters. High details are available. Overall heating, cooling values are available with BTU per hour. I close this window. I return to level 1. Values which showed not computed are not visible now, and amount are available. So there is an overall explanation for this, for heating and cooling, and you can see output report here in PDF format. If you like, you can select file, print. I have do PDF software here, preferences. I select A4 or any other sizes of paper if you want. Print. Type your desired destination. I try to put an address here. In the Autodesk folder, copy, save, OK. After that, you can open a file and see it as a PDF file with high details.